Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to turn off snapping in CapCut on PC. Disabling the snapping feature gives you great control while editing. No more clips automatically snapping into place on the timeline. Let's get started. Open CapCut, either the desktop or web version. Sign in if prompted, then either open an existing project or click New Project to start fresh. Once you're in the editor, look just above the timeline. You'll find a magnet icon. That's the auto snapping toggle. Click it once to turn snapping off. The icon may appear grayed out or with a slash to indicate it's disabled. Still snapping? There's one more thing. If clips still snap together, click the main track magnets toggle, also near the timeline. Turning this off fully disables snapping, even on the main track. Test it out by dragging your clips around. If snapping is off, they'll move freely without auto-aligning to other elements. Finally tip. Zoom in on the timeline for finer adjustments, especially helpful when snapping is turned off. Just click Ctrl and scroll your circle on the mouse. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.